In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block a phone number in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then go to chats. If you want to block someone's phone number on WhatsApp, just search for a conversation with that user, then open it up, then tap at the very top at the phone number, scroll down and tap at block and then block again. What that will do, that will block this phone number on your WhatsApp, and that user won't be able to call me or send me text messages. If you want to unblock some user but you don't remember their phone number, you can go into settings, then privacy and blocked. That will show you all the contacts you have blocked on WhatsApp, and then if we want to unblock some contact, we can just tap on it, scroll down and then tap at unblock. That's how you can easily block and unblock phone numbers on WhatsApp.